Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to resize screen in Windows 10. You want to resize your screen size in Windows 10 because the default resolution is not perfect for the display. As if your PC has a full HD display and the screen size is set for the HD display, you'll experience bad quality display. Therefore, you might want to resize the screen resolution. It is quite easy to change the screen resolution in Windows 10. Let's start. Go to Start menu button and then search Settings. Once you get the settings in the search result, click to open. Click on System. And then Display. Under the Scale and Layout, you can find the display resolution settings. Click the drop-down arrow icon to view all the available screen size in pixel. Windows will automatically detect your display resolution and recommend you. Select the display resolution and then click the Keep Changes button. You can also change the size of the text, apps, and other items using the scale settings. You can scale screen up to 175%. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.